Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to all of you after the vacation. Here is we already learned number system chapter number 1 of computer subject and part 3 parts we already completed. In that parts I explained you about how many number systems are there. First number system, decimal number system. Second number system, binary number system. Then the conversion of decimal to binary and conversion of binary to decimal. That all things we completed before vacation in 3 parts. Now in today's part I am going to explain you about the other operating number systems. So other two number systems are octal number system and the hexadecimal number system. Just like in a decimal number system, I explained you that decimal number system consists 10 digits 0 to 9. So that's hence base of the decimal number system is 10 because it consists 10 digits. Just like that in a binary number system consists 2 digits 0 and 1. Hence the base of binary number system is 2. Right? Just like that, octal number system consists 8 digits only, 0 to 7. Hence, the base of the octal number system is 8. क्योंकि octal number system 8 digit consist करता है, so that's why the base of that number system is 8. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion. The only difference is that the change of the base. Last time I explained you about the conversion, right? Conversion of binary to decimal, just like this way. Suppose that we have a number 1, 0, 0, 1 and we want to convert this in a decimal number. So I explain you the format, how to convert it. So what we are doing, we are writing first of all the position 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then afterward we start calculating the numbers from right hand side. 1 into, this is a binary number, so 2 multiply 2 raised to 0 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3. This way, this is a binary number system, so that's why each and every digit 1, 0, 0, 1, each and every digit we multiplied with the base 2. Here it is. But if you want to convert octal to decimal number system, what you have to do? You have to just change the base. There is a binary number system, so that's why we write down the base of 2, but this is the octal number system to decimal conversion. Then the base we are writing down 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2, 8 raised to 3. Clear everyone? So these are the octal to decimal conversion. It is same as the binary to decimal conversion. Only difference is what? Change of the base. Now the hexadecimal number system. This number system contains 16 digits and therefore has the base 16. It uses the digits 0 to 9 and A to F. Now the hexadecimal number system have a 16 digit. How 16 digit? 0 to 9 and A to F. Because we have already 0 to 9 numbers. And then afterward whatever the number we are creating using this 0 to 9 only. ठीक है, जो भी नंबर हम क्रिएट करते हैं 3 डिजिट 4 डिजिट 0 तो 9 का यूज करके ही करते हैं. ठीक है, सोच लो कि हमारे पास सिर्फ 0 to 9 ही नंबर्स है. ओके, एंड सो दैट्स व्हाई ओनली 10 डिजिट वी क्रिएटेड. व्हाट अबाउट अदर 6? So other 6 are like this way, A to F. What we have to do? How we will do this? So 0 to 9 first of all, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This way. And then afterward A, B, C, D, E and F. Total is 16. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Clear everyone? So this way 16 digit is there. Clear? So that's why the base of the binary hexadecimal number system is 16. Why? Because it consists 16 digit. How? 0 to 9 and A to F. So octal number system and hexadecimal number system we are not going to learn in detail. This you will learn in a higher classes. Now the computer arithmetic. As a computer understands only binary codes, the data given by the user is converted into binary code. जैसे कि हम आपको पता है कि कंप्यूटर को सिर्फ बाइनरी कोड ही समझ में आता है, राइट? सो जो भी डेटा हम कंप्यूटर को देंगे वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? बाइनरी कोड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. दिस प्रोसेसिंग में इन्वॉल्व्स वेरिएट काइंड्स ऑफ एरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशंस. अब ये बाइनरी कन्वर्जन में बहुत सारे ऐसे एरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशंस भी है जो परफॉर्म होते हैं, जस्ट लाइक एडिशन, subtraction, multiplication and division on a binary number. Why? Because if we are entering 25 plus 15 and I want the addition of these two numbers in a calculator, what computer do? Computer convert 25 into binary number and 15 into binary number. Suppose that 25 binary number is 1100. Okay? 1100. And 15 is 1001. So now computer perform not this number 25 plus 15, but it will perform what? It will perform this binary number instead of 25 plus 15. So we have to learn this thing only, that how the binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication and binary division performed. Okay, so let's see how we can perform it. So here is a first thing, binary addition. The technique used to add binary number inside the computer is very easy and simple. Okay, binary number का addition जो भी है वो बहुत ही easy and simple है computer में. Okay, this is performed in the same way as you perform addition with decimal number. Same वैसे ही perform होता है binary का addition भी, जैसे कि आप decimal का addition करते हो. The following table illustrate the addition of two binary digit. लेकिन binary addition में सिर्फ और सिर्फ 0 और 1 ही होगा. In a question also, and you get the answer also with the same thing, 0 and 1. Except 0 and 1 you will get the answer. It means that your sum is wrong. Let's see क्या होता है. यहाँ पे आपको rule का एक box दिया हुआ है. You can see here the rule box. That A and B, A मतलब first number and B means second number. दोनों का addition होके C मतलब answer क्या मिलता है. So if your first number is 0, second number is also 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. If your first number is 0 and second number is 1, means 0 plus 1 is obviously 1. If the first number is 1 and second number is 0, so 1 plus 0 is 1. But only last one is very confusing, that 1 plus 1. What is a 1 plus 1? So 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. How 1 plus 1 is equal to 10? So let's see. कैसे होता है? Okay. So let's see that 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. कैसे होगा? 1 plus 1. In a decimal number, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. But 2 we cannot write because 2 is not in a binary number. So what we will do? We will convert this 2 into binary number. कैसे? जो steps मैंने बताया है वैसे. Which step? Decimal to binary conversion. How? So look at this. How we can perform it. Okay. So we can perform it like this way. Clear? Here is a 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So conversion of decimal to binary. यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक decimal number है 2. We divide all numbers with a 2 only. So 2 1s are 2. Remainder जो भी बचेगा वो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. We stop whenever we get the 1 downside. Right? So डाउन टू अपवर्ड काउंटिंग द 2 इज इक्वल टू बाइनरी नंबर क्या होता है, तो 1 and 0. So first is 1 and second is 0. So 2 is equal to what? 10. Hence, we are writing here, what we are writing here? 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. Clear everyone? कैसे 10 आया? So अब समझ में आया 1 plus 1 10 कैसे लिखते हैं, क्यों लिखते हैं? Yes? So let's see the sum. Here is the one example giving to you. 1 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1. Okay? 1 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1. How we can do the addition? So you get here 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, and 1 plus 0 1. Let's see by doing this. What is the sum? 1 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1. This is A and this is B. We have to write down like this, A plus B. Okay? So let's do it. 1 0 0 0 plus, जब हम ये सेकेंड नंबर लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे, सो वी आर राइटिंग फ्रॉम अ राइट हैंड साइड, यहाँ राइट साइड से लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे, और ये ब्रैकेट में जो नीचे वाले नंबर में जो राइट साइड का फर्स्ट नंबर है वो राइट साइड पे ही लिखा जाएगा. जैसे कि यहाँ पे फर्स्ट नंबर 1 है, दिस इज अ 1, सो वी राइट डाउन ऑन अ राइट हैंड साइड ओनली 1. सेकेंड नंबर इज 1, सो वी राइट डाउन 1. थर्ड नंबर इज 1, सो वी राइट डाउन 1. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने देखा ऊपर वाले नंबर में 4 डिजिट है, नीचे वाले नंबर में 3 डिजिट है. बाय मिस्टेक हमने लेफ्ट से लिखना स्टार्ट कर दिया होता तो लास्ट में एक नल बचता. इट मीन्स दैट योर आंसर ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. ओके, सो याद रखना है कंपल्सरी डाउन साइड नंबर यू हैव टू राइट डाउन फ्रॉम अ राइट हैंड साइड. राइट हैंड साइड मीन्स व्हाट? द राइट हैंड साइड मीन्स राइट साइड नंबर गोइंग राइट ओनली. ओके, ऐसा ना हो कि लेफ्ट साइड का नंबर राइट पे लिख दो और फिर ऐसे करो, रॉन्ग. What is the addition of this? So 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, and 1 downside nothing is there, means we are counting as a considering as a 0. So 1 plus 0 also 1. So what is the answer of 1 0 0 plus 1 1 1? 1 1 1 1. Clear everyone? Let's see the second sum. सेकेंड सम इज 5 times 1 plus 1 0 1 1. यहाँ पे कैरी ओवर आता है. ठीक है, लेट्स सी हाउ वी डू द कैरी ओवर. सो व्हाट इज इट? व्हाट इज इट? 5 times 1 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 0 1 1. राइट, दिस इज ओनली सम. लेट्स डू इट. कैसे करेंगे हम ये? First, this is A, B. A going up, so write down 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Plus, I explained you that B वाला portion, मतलब नीचे वाला जो नंबर है वो हम कहाँ से लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे? From a right hand side. Is it like this way? 1 0 1 1. क्या ये ऐसा होगा? 1 0 1 1. राइट साइड से लिखना है तो सेम ऐसे ही लिख दिया 1 0 1 1. It is right? Wrong. It is रॉन्ग. राइट साइड मीन्स राइट साइड पे जो नंबर है वही राइट साइड पे जाएगा, फिर लेफ्ट जाओ. 1 के पहले जो है वो, उसके बाद 0, और फर्स्ट जो है वो 1. और एक और चीज याद रखनी है, द नंबर के नीचे नंबर आना चाहिए कंपल्सरी. दिस वे दैट नंबर के नीचे नंबर होना चाहिए कंपल्सरी. अदरवाइज क्या होगा? यू विल कंफ्यूज इन एडिशन. लुक दिस वे. Clear? Now let's do the carryover. 1 plus 1. What I explained you? 1 plus 1? 10. So do it 0 and 0 comes down and 1 carry over like this way. Circle कर दो. Now 1 plus 1 10 and 10 plus 1. मैम ने तो 1 plus 1 सिर्फ सिखाया है, लेकिन 3 times 1 का एडिशन क्या होता है? So 10 plus 1 करके देख लो. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. So just keep it in mind that 3 times 1 means 11. 2 times 1 means 10. 3 times 1 means 11. So write down 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 10. 10 plus 0 10. 0 and 1 carry over. 3 times 1 means 11. So 1 and carry over. 1 plus 1 10. अब कोई भी नेक्स्ट नंबर नहीं है तो 10 हम कंटिन्यू लिखेंगे. So this is the answer of 5 times 1 plus 1011. Let's check it out in an example. It is correct or not. देखिए, this is correct. 1010 जैसे मैम ने किया था that one. Clear everyone? So this way we have to do carry over sum. I hope you all get the binary addition. In your textbook, there is a page number 12 and on it, binary addition is there. Try to do this 3 sums of binary addition of activity section with pencil in your textbook. Okay? For your practice work. Next time, in the next video, I will explain you binary subtraction. But before that, you must have to practice of addition sums. I hope you all get it how to do it. Next time, be ready for learning binary subtraction. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz everyone.